So Silas has been eating very bland food ever since he got over his sickness. And I felt bad giving him eggs and cereal. So I gave him a piece of my pizza. And he's going to town on it. Can Mommy take it and cut it up? He likes it so much. You're so silly. He's like shaking. You're so silly. Okay, let's cut it up. Can Mommy cut it up? Okay, I'm gonna cut it up for you. Say bye bye.